You sit down to learn English. Open your notebook, watch another English video, and you tell yourself, today, I'll finally improve. But after weeks, even months, you still struggle to speak. You understand some words, but when it's time to talk, your mind goes blank, and slowly, you start believing something dangerous. Maybe I'm just bad at English, but here's the truth. You're not bad at English. You're using the wrong method. Most people learn English the slowest way possible. They memorize long vocabulary lists, repeat grammar rules, and translate everything in their head, word by word, sentence by sentence. But real conversations don't work like that. Imagine this. Someone asks you, "How was your day?" And instead of answering naturally, your brain starts searching. What is how? What is was? What is day? By the time you figure it out, the moment is gone. This is why learning English feels slow, frustrating, and exhausting, not because English is hard, but because your brain is learning it the wrong way. Here's something most people don't know. Your brain does not learn languages by memorizing words. It learns by patterns. Think about how you learned your first language. Did you memorize grammar rules first? No. You listened, you copied, you repeated, and slowly, patterns formed in your brain. That's how fluency is built. Not by studying harder, but by learning smarter. Method number 1, the sentence method. So here's the fastest method. Stop memorizing single words. Start learning full sentences. Instead of learning, eat equals Hana, learn, I eat breakfast every morning. Because your brain remembers meaning, not isolated words. And here's the magic. When you learn sentences, you automatically learn vocabulary, grammar, structure, all at the same time, without even realizing it. That's why children learn languages faster than adults. They don't memorize words, they copy sentences. Method 2, the shadowing method. Here's how it works. Play a short English audio, listen carefully, and repeat immediately after the speaker. Not perfectly, not slowly, just repeat, like an echo. At first, you'll struggle. Your tongue will feel heavy. Your pronunciation will sound wrong. But after a few days, something incredible happens. Your mouth starts moving faster. Your confidence increases. And English begins to feel natural. Because you're training your brain and your voice at the same time. Method number 3, think in English. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Most learners do this. They think in their native language and then translate into English. That takes time and kills fluency. Instead, start small, very small. Look at a chair and think, this is a chair. Look at your phone and think, my phone is on the table. Simple thoughts, simple words, but powerful training. Because now, your brain is learning English directly, without translation. That's the real secret to speed. Method number 4, daily micro-learning. Now here's another mistake people make. They study English for 2 hours once a week and expect fast results. But language learning works differently. Your brain needs daily exposure. Not long sessions, short ones. Every day, even 15 minutes can change everything. Watch short videos, listen to short conversations, repeat short sentences. Consistency beats intensity, every time. The mindset shift. Here's the biggest truth. Fluency is not about perfection. It's about communication. Most learners stay silent because they're afraid of mistakes. But mistakes are not failure. They are feedback. Every wrong sentence is one step closer to fluency. Every awkward moment builds confidence. Every attempt makes progress. Your brain stronger. So don't wait to speak perfectly. Speak imperfectly, but speak daily. Imagine this. A few months from now, someone speaks to you in English, And instead of freezing, you respond naturally, without fear, without hesitation, not because you studied harder, but because you studied smarter. So remember, don't memorize words, learn sentences. Don't translate, think directly. Don't study occasionally, practice daily. Because the fastest way to learn English is not a secret, it's a system. And once you follow it, fluency stops feeling impossible and starts feeling inevitable. If you want to learn faster, start today, one sentence at a time. And remember, small daily actions create massive long-term results. P.